In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted slide or presentation in Google Slides. Imagine you're working on an important presentation and, oops, you accidentally delete an entire slide or even the whole file. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some simple methods to get your critical work back. Let's start with the simplest solution. If you've just accidentally deleted a slide, you can quickly undo this action. It's as easy as pressing Ctrl plus Z if you're using a Windows PC, or CMD plus Z on a Mac. This handy shortcut can be a real lifesaver, as it immediately reverses the last action you took, restoring any slides that were just accidentally deleted. Now, if the slide was deleted a while ago, undos won't help. This is where Google Slides version history feature shines. You'll want to open your presentation in Google Slides and navigate to the File menu. From there, hover over Version History and select See Version History. Pay attention to the right sidebar that pops up. This is where you'll find a timeline of past saved versions of your presentation. Take your time browsing through these versions until you spot the one where the slide still existed. Once you've found the version you need, you have two options. You can either click on Restore this version, which will roll your entire presentation back to that point in time, or if you want to keep your more recent changes intact, you can simply copy the specific missing slide from the old version and paste it into your current version. This second method allows you to revert only that part, leaving the rest of your document undisturbed and up to date. But what if the entire presentation file was accidentally deleted? In this case, we'll take a look at how to recover the file from Google Drive's trash. To do this, open Google Drive and look at the menu on the left. You should see an option labeled Trash, or sometimes it'll be called Bin. This is where all your deleted files get stored temporarily. Browse through the items in your trash, or use the search feature by typing the file name or the type of file you're looking for. Once you find the file you want to recover, right-click on it and select Restore. The file will be moved back to its original location in your drive. Keep in mind that files in the trash are only stored temporarily. Typically, they remain there for about 30 days before they're permanently removed. However, this time frame might vary according to your organization's policy. It's always a good idea to recover your files promptly to avoid losing them forever. And there you have it, a few straightforward methods to restore your lost Google Slides content. I hope this guide helps you recover your work and gives you peace of mind, knowing you can retrieve these valuable resources with a few clicks. Happy presenting!